Hi everyone! Today I will show you 4 delicious marinades for chicken. It's super simple, but it will give flavor to your meals. So let's get started!
Okay, all the time when we ordered sushi, we have so much soy sauce and I keep it in the freezer and I don't know where to use it, but now I know. We will make marinade with soy sauce, garlic, and honey and mustard, Dijon mustard. So let's make this marinade. Okay, we use soy sauce. And we need honey. Okay, I think like this is enough. And I need garlic. So mix it. I will add brown sugar as well because I think it should be more sweet. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. That's my chicken wings, that's my marinade, and we need to combine it. And it's very easy to do it like this. I need to close it. Before sending it to the freezer, keep it like half an hour here to marinate, to mix all the tastes, and then put it to the freezer. Look like it's beautiful. Wow, it's so golden. I love it. Okay, for the marinade we need cranberry. I have frozen cranberry. We'll make cranberry sauce. We need rosemary, like 2 cloves, salt, pepper, okay, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, but the white sugar is also okay. And I will add water because I need a lot of marinade. And it should cool because we cannot marinate with a hot marinade. All the chicken will boil, so leave it. The last one. Chicken inside the vacuum bag. And let's add our cranberry rosemary marinade. And put all the cranberries inside. And now we need to vacuum and seal it. How beautiful it is. I love it. I think it's delicious. For the next marinade, I need some orange juice. So I'm squeezing it. Okay, the first half, the second half. I will add soy sauce a little bit, just a little bit. And I will add the garlic. I will not add a lot, but chicken loves garlic. That's my opinion. and oil. Okay, I'll put it here. And I want to add some cloves. And we need honey. Mix it well. We don't need salt because soy sauce is salty. And take chicken thighs. We'll put this marinade inside. I think we don't need extra oranges. Okay. Wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful marinade. That's our family favorite marinade. It's mayo and salsa. So with sweet peppers and tomatoes and some herbs, but not spicy because I'm allergic to chili pepper. And that's it. Very simple. You can add salt and black pepper. Mix it well. And your marinade is ready. And put the marinade inside. And mix it in the bag. After mixing, close the bag. And put it to the fridge. That's it. How to cook? You just take it out of the bag and put it to the oven. For the next food prep, I will use vegetables, and I will use chicken thighs, and I will cut vegetables and put it in the bag with chicken thighs and freeze it, and it will be ready dinner. But it will have no seasoning, just salt and pepper and vegetables. So the chicken will be in vegetable juices. So I'll cut these small peppers in half. So beautiful. Look, I love it. Like this. And we will make tomatoes in a huge parts. And a half of the onion will be enough. Also, like this. And bell pepper. Now I need a bag, my favorite Ziploc bag, the big one. And I'll put my chicken thighs here. And I will just add salt here, pepper, and vegetable oil to mix all the tastes. Okay, I'll mix. And now I will put all the vegetables here in the bag. When you're tired and just came back from work and you have no desire and no power to cook, this will help you a lot. Take it out of the bag, put it to the oven, and that's it. That's it. Your dinner is ready. Or you can put it to the pan, add some water, boil it, and it's also good. See? Very simple.
Thanks for watching. Give me a like and subscribe my channel because I will have more ideas how to save your time at the kitchen and your money.